Second, whole milk. Third, liquid dish soap. Fourth, food coloring. Last, cotton swabs. Before we start, let us understand an important concept. What is surface tension?
Great question. Surface tension is the force that holds the molecules of the liquid together, creating a thin, invisible skin on the liquid surface. This happens because of cohesion, which is the attraction between the molecules of the same substance. The stronger the cohesion, the stronger the surface tension.
And today, we're going to see what happens when we disrupt that balance.
Let's begin. First, let us pour some whole milk into this shallow plate.
Now, let's add a few drops of different colored food coloring to the milk. This will help us visualize the movements of the molecule.
Notice how the food coloring stays separate and does not mix. That's because of surface tension. The molecules are holding everything in place.
Now, let's change things up. I'll take a cotton swab, dip it into liquid dish soap, and gently touch it to the surface of the milk. Watch closely.
Wow! Look at that! The colors are dancing and moving across the milk. But why is this happening?
Let me explain. The dish soap breaks the surface tension of the milk by interfering with the cohesive forces between molecules. Milk contains fats and proteins, and when soap is introduced, it reacts with the fat molecules, breaking apart the tension and causing movement.
It's like an invisible tug of war between the soap molecules and the milk molecules. The soap reduces the surface tension, and the food coloring moves with the shifting molecules, creating a swirling effect we see.
So, what we are seeing is not magic. It's science in action. This experiment is a great example of molecular interactions
related to scientific discovery, creativity, and problem solving. Experiments like this help us understand the world better and encourage us to think critically.
This experiment also reflects our Lion's graduate attributes. Leaders, like the dish soap disrupting the surface tension, great leaders challenge the norm and bring about change. Inclusive, science welcomes everyone to explore and learn, just as we encourage collaboration and teamwork. Outstanding, curiosity and experimentation drive scientific excellence and achievement. Noble, knowledge is meant to be shared and used for the good of others, just like we share today's discoveries. Self-discipline, just as careful precision is needed in experiments, success in life requires discipline and focus.
Through science, we have learned the mysteries of nature and learned valuable lessons about the forces that shape our world.
We hope that today's experiment has inspired you to explore, question, and discover more about the fascinating world of science.
And remember, science is everywhere. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Thank you for joining us in exploring the milk magic experiment. We hope you enjoyed learning about surface tension and molecular interactions. God bless us all.
Thank you for that colorful experiment, young scientists. Now, may we request the parents of the milk magic to please recognize